Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to History 112, World Civilizations 2. My name is Chris Carroll. I have the wonderful privilege of being the instructor for this course, and I'm excited to have you alongside as together we're going to journey over the next several weeks to kind of understand what civilization looks like from a world perspective and not necessarily through the history of the United States. It's a fun class. It's a very different class in that we will do several different activities, a lot of discussion forums, of course, some reading to try to gain context in how we take history and apply it to present day. So I'm really excited, and I want to go ahead and jump in just by giving you some groundwork to kind of help you be successful in this class. The first thing that you need to know is this right here, and that is my email. Email is the fastest way to get up with me. It's the best way. So I encourage you to email me. And then if we need to do a Zoom conversation, I'm happy to set up a Zoom meeting. We can do phone calls, whatever works best for you, but definitely use my email. Make sure that you email me if you have questions, concerns, or if you need some help on something. This is a online class only. Therefore, I open up assignments on Monday and they are due on Sunday, except for some initial discussion forums, which are due on Thursdays. But all of these assignments and details are located in each module on Moodle, and I also send out announcements each week to kind of tell you what I'm looking for and what to do. So after you've kind of gotten a framework of Moodle and seen how things work, you need to make sure that you have your textbook. Your textbook is coming through the Barnes & Noble bookstore. It is available as an ebook, and if you will look at the syllabus, you'll see here it is, World History Volume 2 since 1500. There will be some other readings, but I'll give you those readings as we move forward. Now, I do want to encourage you to read this syllabus. A couple of things to point out. Attendance. While it is an online class, your attendance is still mandatory, which means I judge attendance based on the work that you send in. So if you do not send in any work for that week, that means that you were not here, that you were absent. Assignments open up on Monday. They close on Sunday for the most part. So if you're not doing assignments, that means you're not engaged in the class, and therefore you'll be counted absent. Excuse me. And if you are absent 2 weeks in a row, that is disqualification from the class, or if you exceed 20% of all scheduled contact hours, you'll withdraw also. So just please, please, please make sure your attendance is found in the classroom and that you're engaged. You can go through the different things here in the syllabus. It will help you. I do want to point out to you as far as late assignments, since I open up assignments on Monday and they close on Sunday, there is no late work allowed for this class. So I do not accept late work on assignments. I want to work on your time management, accountability. So no late work is accepted, which means that if an assignment is due Thursday at 11:55, I need you to get that assignment in before 11:55. So please work hard to plan out your schedule in advance so you know what's due, what you've got to work on. And if you scroll all the way down, I've kind of given you a framework, if you will, through the syllabus of where we're going, what we're going to be doing, and the different assignments. And as you can see, for the most part, there's usually 2 assignments that are involved each week, and that requires you to do some reading and some analysis. All right, here's your grade distribution. You have your grading scale. So make sure that you take time to read the syllabus. This is the announcements. I will put announcements all throughout the week. I like doing videos. That way it gives me a chance to talk to you about what my expectations are and show you some things. So you'll see from me usually on Sunday or maybe Monday a video that will come in Moodle but also through email, where I talk to you about the upcoming week and what we're going to be doing together. Okay, so make sure you're always checking your Moodle. I recommend you check it daily, but you definitely want to make sure you're staying engaged through Moodle. You've got your syllabus. Read the syllabus, read course policies. There's some good information in the course policies for you that talk about this course. For instance, it's a college course. It's not a high school course. Therefore, there's a lot of work that needs to be done, and you need to set aside your time accordingly, especially being that there's no late work, right? Also, this is about you. You control your grade. You control how well you do in this class. put forth the effort, do hard work, you're going to be rewarded. It's that simple. Okay. Always email me if you have any questions. I love to hear from you, and I want to be engaged with you. So never hesitate to contact me if I can be of any help. So read these course policies, and that will get you set up as it relates to the course. So I'm glad you're here. I look forward to working together and learning some more about the history of the world and how it relates into today's society. So have a great semester. If I can be of any help, please reach out to me. Take care. Go out there and do something great for someone.